back with the one and only Ricky Martin, and he's given us an exclusive look at his daily health regimen that helps keep him in such good shape. All right, so let's talk about food for a second. So diet's a big deal. We talked about it a tiny bit. Spiced mango chutney is one of your go-to meals. So explain what you love about it.
I don't know. I think it's a mixture of sweet and maybe salty, but because it's mango and it has agave and it has a little bit of ginger with a touch of lemon, and it's
cardamom.
An explosion of taste, of flavors in your mouth. It's really good. And it's vegetarian, obviously.
You have an audience full of huge fans, so I'm going to just pick one to come down. Is that okay?
Yes, yes.
Who? Are you sure?
Who's coming?
Leticia, come down.
Leticia.
Where's Leticia? Where's she coming from?
Leticia,
I don't see her. Oh, is she? Oh, there she is.
Hey, come here. How are you?
Oh my God.
Come here.
Did I pronounce your name wrong?
No.
You just didn't
I was too emotional.
That's good. It was, oh my God, it's my turn.
So, Ricky loves this. We thought maybe you taste it and give us your honest opinion about it.
Sure.
What do you like the most about him, by the way?
Well, I was in his first concert when he was 12 in Puerto Rico.
That was not long ago.
I know.
Thank you.
Love him. I love you.
Thank you so much. I love you too, baby.
Let's see if you love the the mango chutney as much as Ricky. Compare it.
Okay.
She's tasting that.
And it's so easy to make. And it's
Delicious.
healthy.
I love it.
Right? Love it, you see?
You're not going to be able to talk anymore.
No. That's really good.
While Letitia's eating your mango chutney, teach her your little morning ritual you do just to get centered in the morning.
No, well, you know, it's considered yoga, but this yoga is very passive, it's very introspective, and it's about oxygenating your body, and it's about breathing through your nose. 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out with your eyes closed, not counting.
Not counting?
Not counting. It's so you
go ahead and do it,
focus
Leticia.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out. And you know, when you get to the moment where you don't have to count, you know, and you can recognize exactly the expansion of your lungs. And you do that in the middle of chaos. You can be in the train and you can just go there, and it'll be better before a meeting, before an interview, before your day, before you go to sleep. It's very simple.
Before they call you on stage to be Ricky Martin. All those things.
It's really good, but it's challenging. The first time you do it, to count without counting, it doesn't make sense, right?
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, I learned it in India, and it's a very beautiful moment of my life where I had to spend I got to spend some time in an ashram, and they taught me this, and it's been incredibly important for me.
That's a big move. What made you go to an ashram?
I was working in an orphanage.
Don't you love this guy?
I was.
I just saved the world. I was in an orphanage.
No, I have a foundation. We fight human trafficking, and we were fighting human trafficking in India. And then I went, and then I went and I wanted to meditate, because everything that you read and everything that you hear from these young victims that are being forced into prostitution and forced into pornography. Trust me, you need a gut some way, somehow, to be able to go, through the day. And they taught me this kind of meditation that has been vital for me. It's very special. Yeah.
We'll take that.
Great.
Go meditate over there.
Hey, take care. Thank you.
Next to your skin health, I wasn't going to do this, but I found this unbelievable picture you posted. This is Ricky Martin.
Oh, I get in so much trouble with my Instagram.
He looks like Jason. Look at him. Oh, my goodness. From Friday the 13th.
Well, I was being pampered by my makeup artist.
Well, we have somebody who's never been pampered by their makeup artist. So Mariella, where are you, Mariella? Come on down.
Mariella, come here. Let me help you down. Let me help you down, please. There you go.
What a gentleman.
I always knew about face masks, but I didn't know there were hand masks.
Oh, my goodness.
Well, this is what they are about.
Come over here. We're going to pamper you. Are you excited?
I'm speechless. I'm nervous. He's real, ladies. He's real.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
All right, so
what's your name again? I'm sorry? Mariela.
Are we okay with putting a face mask on you?
Absolutely.
All right, so Ricky, let's demonstrate how we do this. So, enjoy this.
So cool. Yeah.
Do I do the fire?
Let's give it a try.
You don't have to. Yeah, you can do the breathing while you do this.
It's cold. 1, 2, 3. Well, you have amazing skin, so you don't need anything.
Thank you.
Look at you.
Doesn't he have nice fingers as he applies it?
I'm in heaven right now.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.